If you're getting a Lucidchart account error and you can't log in, load your dashboard, or open your diagrams, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. These troubleshooting methods are simple, safe, and work for most common Lucidchart login and account issues. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is test Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. Open Google Chrome or whichever browser you normally use and launch a private browsing window. Then go to the Lucid homepage and try signing in again. This step is important because it helps you figure out whether the issue is being caused by your browser's stored data or by one of your extensions. If Lucidchart works perfectly in incognito mode, that usually means the problem is local to your browser and not your account itself. If it does not work there either, that tells you the issue may be tied to the account login method or a wider service problem. But in many cases, the private window test is the fastest way to isolate the cause, so give that a try first before changing anything else. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store old files, session data, and cookies that can interfere with sign-in pages and account loading screens. To do this, open your browser settings and go to the Browsing Data or Privacy section. You can usually use a shortcut like Control, Shift, and Delete on the Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on the Mac to get there faster. Make sure you select cached images and files along with cookies and other site data. Then click the button to clear the data. After that, fully close your browser, reopen it, and try logging into Lucidchart again. This step often fixes login loops, blank pages, and account errors caused by outdated session information. If that still does not solve it, the next step is to disable conflicting browser extensions. Certain add-ons like ad blockers, privacy tools, grip blockers, and VPN extensions can interrupt how Lucidchart loads in your browser. To check this, type Chrome/extensions into your address bar if you are using Chrome, or open the extension manager in your browser of choice. Once you are there, turn off any privacy extensions, ad blockers, or VPN-related tools one by one. Then refresh your Lucidchart tab and try signing in again. If the site starts working after disabling one of them, you found a conflict. You can keep that extension off while you work in Lucidchart or add Lucidchart to its allow list if the extension supports that. Now let's talk about another very common cause, your login method. Lucidchart can behave differently depending on whether you signed up with email and password, Google Workspace, or Microsoft Office 365. If you originally created your account with one method, but now you are trying to sign in with another, that can trigger redirect problems or account access errors. So make sure you are using the exact same sign-in method you registered with. If your Lucidchart account was created with Google, keep using Google. If it was created with Microsoft, use Microsoft. And if it was created with a standard email and password, do not switch to a different authentication method by accident. Mixed login methods are a common reason people see redirect or 308 style errors. If you still can't get in, check your storage limit. Sometimes, the issue is not with login at all, but with saving or syncing your diagrams. If your account has reached its document storage limit, you may run into errors when trying to edit or save changes. In that case, you may need to upgrade your plan or remove older diagrams to free up space. This is especially helpful if Lucidchart opens, but certain files won't save or update correctly. If that sounds like your problem, check your account storage and see whether you are at or near the limit. Freeing up space can immediately restore normal performance. At this point, you should have a much clearer idea of what is causing the Lucidchart account error. To recap quickly, try Lucidchart in an incognito window, clear your cache and cookies, disable browser extensions, verify your login method, and check your storage limit. Those are the most reliable fixes for the majority of account and sign-in problems. If one step fixes the issue, great, you can stop there. If not, move through the list in order so you can narrow down the cause without wasting time. And if you found this video useful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you see more quick tech fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're back inside your Lucidchart account now. If you still have trouble, leave a comment with the exact error message you're seeing, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it further.